Hey there! I'm Bee, and I'm so excited to welcome you to Learn to Read, Level A. In this course, we'll practice the skills that will help us become readers. First, we'll use our listening skills to hear different sounds in words. Then, we'll see what the sounds look like by learning the letter symbols. Finally, we'll put together everything we've learned to read words. How exciting! When you open a lesson, you'll see a teaching video and an online practice activity. You'll also find hands-on activities in your workbook or the PDF in the first lesson of the unit. Along with the activities, there will also be a unit agenda to help you keep track of what's coming next. Let's take a look at the agenda to know what's coming up in the next lesson. Each lesson takes 2 days to complete. The agenda tells you exactly what you should work on each day. On the first day, you'll watch a video to learn a new reading skill. Sometimes you'll be asked to pause the video. Practice pausing the video now. Great! After the video, it's time for the online practice. Listen to the question, drag your answer, and click the Submit button. Practice makes progress, so if you get an answer wrong, you'll get another chance. Once you've earned a medal from the practice, you're done for the day. But remember, each lesson takes 2 days. On the second day, you'll do an activity in your workbook or PDF and finish the online practice. You only need to watch the teaching video once, but you can watch it as many times as you want. You're almost ready to begin. Next, you'll need to complete the online practice for this lesson to learn how to drag and submit your answers. Then, you'll be ready to begin learning new skills. The next time we're together, we'll start our reading journey. I can't wait to go on this adventure with you. I'll see you soon, friend. Until then, remember to always be clever. Hey.